Welcome to his adventure vlogs. I'm Demar, you can call me Watty, and today I'm on an outdoor cooking adventure. I'm currently on the farm and I'm going to cook up some authentic Jamaican food. Alright, so the dish today that I want to cook is saltfish rundown. So stay tuned. See? Yes, so today my father they do some work on him farm. Like my plant some yam.
Get them up on some
Yam in them there. My clean up same time. Yeah, and yeah, earlier if you look one dry coconut for me.
Yeah.
To the rundown. So I hope say this one good. Yeah man. So you are going with today, Mr. Brian? Yamil are dig. Okay.
Are they fry something?
I dig some yamil and my burn bush at the same time. Yeah. The landscape here, people. Beautiful sky. Beautiful countryside. On the outside. So I'm going to do right now, I'm going to look some fire stick.
What?
You can find some fire sticks, sir?
Okay.
Let me have a shake, I'm going to carry mine. Yes, sir. Me to see what I in there.
Find some food. Find some food.
Coconut look dry and nice, man. Okay, right one.
Come here, some coconut.
Right one is fine.
You want some coconut? You want some coconut? Thank you. Thank you. No, no more. You want to drink some?
You want coconut water?
Yeah.
Yeah, left some for me.
Yeah, left some.
That's me there too, you know.
No, stop.
You need more than one. It's very good. I carry my son come a company farm for the first time. First time Magabush.
You manage him for MZ, sir.
MZ, you want to come in and he manage good?
I run for him.
He manage good.
I might run for him, man.
Yeah. Never have to carry him now. Go over there and put I smoke.
Yeah.
Not today. So you might dry coconut. Coconut water still left, see me.
Stop them some for me. There's some for me.
You don't want to put the fire out now, level out, so I plant the pepper them, you know? I don't know.
Give me
I want it closer to you, so.
Give me coconut. Man, coconut water.
More water left in the boy.
You drink coffee water?
Alright, the people. So I'm going to look some fire stick and start the ball rolling, you see me?
Whatever, make a choice.
Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Yeah man, that's some nice guava wood, you know. Well dry. Well dry and nice. Cut up them now and time for me catch up the fire and start cook. Alright, time to catch up the fire. Big fire me I deal with today, no people. Because it's not a lot of cooking. You know. So you see me the maca tick, you know. Maca there all over there, so you see me I be careful, so. Giant grass, you know. Put it in the center of it. And then break up some like a grand or gring or kring or whichever part of Jamaica you live or whatever you want to call it. We call it gang. On my side of Clarendon. Eh?
I know what I say.
Yeah, me say gang.
Gang.
And the little dry stick them we call gang. You use them in the heart of the fire. If you use it to ignite the fire. Don't touch it, maca the pan. See them there? Spikes? And you prick your finger.
Prick my finger.
So you have to be careful.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Maca cheese them.
Now use no plastic in it to them, so I'll try like it. So let's try it out.
Okay. I'll use that. And then that you have a rub stick. And then that you have a rub stick for make a fire. You have a rub stick.
Rub stick?
Yeah.
No, yeah, talk, but I'm not going to do that today, Kyrie. Different time I use today. The rub stick don't take too long.
And what about my cut?
The cut?
Yeah.
You get cut in a while, no, Kyrie. You have to just be tough.
And then what I'm going to do about my cut?
When you reach up, you put peroxide on it.
Peroxide on it and you can put one band-aid? Okay.
But for now, you have to tough it out.
Me have to tough it out? Okay.
Excuse. The grass, I'm going to use most. If you match that one. Alright, my fire has started up. I'm going to use no plastic. Just grass and sticks and wood. It's a carriage I push matches in my fire. Don't come close to the fire, boy.
Okay.
Now 2 pieces and like a joystick here. You just put them on it. Everything take time.
And then I see one insect.
Yeah, see me.
And then I see one insect.
Now you make a thing here. Good for your fire.
Good fire for me.
Make it blaze up quick. I don't know if I will born and grow a country now, but we don't know if we catch fire.
We don't know if I catch fire. We don't know if I catch fire.
And there it is, my people. In no time, pot up on fire. Yeah, fire blaze. Real Jamaican style. I start prepare food and go in the pot now. The cow over there, so I go and easy back. The man over there, so I can open. Okay, so time to prepare some ingredients.
And then
the water.
And water, baby.
I'm not going to use all of them banana here. Because I just threw away. And I start to probably use around 6 of them.
Need food.
You see me?
And I need food.
Eh?
Where? Ready for prep. And this is your flowers. Then we have to take out the honey first. Yes, let me take off the honey. Take off the honey, take off the honey. Take off the honey to make it sip. Take off the honey. And then we love your banana then.
You love banana?
Yes.
Okay, make sure you eat some today.
Okay, I'll get some banana today.
Okay, good.
Banana mine is stick. One is sticky. These are not boogers. These are banana boogers.
So right now I make some ice tea and go and soak out in the water.
And then you're talking to the world.
Yeah, I'm talking to the world. Say hi to the world.
Hi world.
Say subscribe to his adventure vlogs.
Subscribe to the Adventure Box.
And like the video.
And like the video.
Alright. So meanwhile let her go and I'm gonna need some flour.
It's easy, and I like the moon.
Alright, so see me have some flour mixed with cornmeal.
Yes, I have
I have salt in it already. Alright, so now we got that it's still done. It's one chunk of real dumpling now, bush people. Isn't it?
So stop.
Cornmeal dumpling is it today. Alright, so that is it.
What is it?
Left back side.
Thank you.
Gonna need flour now, so now get me and them clean. You see me? Cleanliness is godliness. I went already in my bush. Still have to wash my hands. Same way. Keep it clean. Alright. Let me send my video man now. I take on after my father. Carry the behind the camera. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm gonna need the flour now. As I tell you now, it's a little bush cup. I use a water bottle to make. My son behind the camera. The video will go on. I teach him from early. You see me?
Yeah.
I bring him in our line of work from early. Yeah, man, I see a great legacy in our people. I'm proud of you, Carrie.
Yes.
You're doing a great job.
Yes, I am.
You did a better job than Joshua.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Now light up here.
Don't touch the screen.
But this screen might get darker.
Okay. No problem. You're doing a great job, my boy. I'm gonna see a cornmeal yellow and pretty in our flour.
It is so
Yeah,
pretty.
Original style we are doing with today. Some strong cornmeal dumpling. Can I camera carry you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
You see my face?
It's really I see you.
Alright. You're doing a very great job.
Yes, I am. It get dark.
Just touch the screen. Man, Kyrie, can you take good picture too, you know?
Yes.
Time give Kyrie me DSLR camera, Kyrie take good picture.
Yeah.
So Kyrie is born for this, right?
Yes. Because me I get big.
Yeah, man. So hold up the camera and let's see the see the face. Alright, that is it. So there it is, peeps. Turn the camera up on the Kyrie. But say you have video thing, you know. Yes, but you have video, so you have looking at the camera and make sure you say, yeah, show what I go on. See there?
Wow.
That's my caramel flower door.
Wow, it was like a rock.
Alright. Yeah, man. Man, my people, me telling you, so I don't want a big fire in a couch. Just put on a pot and the pot start boil curry because the pot thin. You see me, so I go ahead and put in the banana. Banana go in a pot, you know. Yeah, keep it authentic, you know. Original Jamaican food we are dealing with today.
That and it tastes good. It smells good.
See, it smells good.
Yeah. I can smell it forever.
Right, my boy.
Want to eat it.
Want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to eat the food. Now get the food right down there.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna make you eat the food, man.
Okay. And then you get fried dumpling.
The fried dumpling I want.
Yeah.
That is it.
That is cooking food. And then another big dumpling. Another more dumpling.
With the camera steady.
And another dumpling that and another dumpling that you make.
Yes.
Okay.
I really like make big dumpling now.
And then you can mushroom good dead.
Simple dumpling, my people. And a rocket science, you see me?
It was delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Okay. Fully cornmeal.
Oh, I got something.
Fully cornmeal.
And then you get something with one stick.
Yes, my people are that are going, you know. Fully active in the bush. fully active outdoor cooking, you know? Cornmeal dumpling and banana.
Banana and all of us go eat here. You have to eat here. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Yes, people, so watch out now. I'm not gonna put no salt in my pot, you know. I can wash off the saltfish 2 times and put the saltfish in the food pot. It will give the food a nice flavor.
A nice flavor.
Yeah, man, so stay tuned. So here it is. Nice little piece of saltfish tail. And not washed off. You can see a big piece of salt them on it. So this will go in our food pot now. Man, see like how the food I cook. Time to grate the coconut. Excuse. Watch your style. Watch your style, my people. Around in our country, is that? You know, if you yolks out no coconut. Coconut come out whole. You see me? See there? So I'm gonna do it now. Rinse this off and grate it. So I can use it with the coconut milk. I'm gonna go in a rundown, saltfish rundown. Yeah, I don't put much water in there because I don't want the water for long. I want the coconut milk to be rich. So, the water used in it will be minimal. Just gonna put a bit more water in there. Move that. Remember, it's outdoor cooking, people, so you know, pretty thing. I just use the environment to our advantage. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please give the video a like because it is free to like the video. No. Your hands are not clean.
My hands are not clean.
So the food done cooking up, people. So time for the meat pot go on. Yeah, man. So the coconut milk is going in now.
Then I make coconut water with it.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Then I saw what you can do with the coconut milk.
And to make saltfish run down. Bring it closer. See that rich coconut milk, people? Yeah, man, we're not using no coconut powder. We're not using artificial coconut powder. I use the authentic coconut right from the tree to the pot. Keeping it fully authentic today. Yeah, man. There it is. That rich coconut milk. You let it go and simmer.
One drink.
Let it go on, you know. When tied and prepare the ingredients, you go in there. There's some honey and tomato. Saltfish clean already. Little garlic. We're gonna put it in there as yet. So now it caramel dumpling, so you're hungry, you want in dumpling to eat. You enjoy your dumplings, sir?
Yeah.
Now go on good, man. Yes, people, so when I was young, my grandmother used to have a special ingredient where she put in her rundown, and it just so happens that we have a tree on the farm. Who can guess our original susumba? If you're not Jamaican, I don't know what to call it in your country, but here it is. Here's the tree. And those are the blossoms on the tree, and this is the fruit. This is susumba, and I'm so grateful to find it here. Just some months ago, I was cleaning up this area. So I plant cane and sitting down there, so do some farming plan that side there. And I go chop down the tree, and I said no, a long time I eat susumba, and the tree then get very rare. So I make that one grow, and so I can't pick fruit off right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. I don't think I need more than this, so this I go wash off and go in my pot right now. Further over this, so same way I go and dig some yamil. All that work for morning, but now I continue upon the cooking. Carrie, you need to stop for me tree bush. I want to take the ketchup. Alright, come. I don't know where I go. Yeah, man, people. Outside, you know?
It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful?
Yes.
I know, right?
Yes, it looks like the beach.
Yeah. You love outdoor like your daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is my pepper, them, you know, people. See there? I want a pepper patch, man. So now reap big pepper to send them, man. You see me? Yeah, so this is some of them wash off, and now them are going in a pot. Yeah, man. And people take time to go down and make oil, you know? Some people call the oil down. You can see cream. pure cream or oil. It form its own oil. Make it slowly go and simmer down, you see it? The fire and blaze on light. Because, yeah, best thing when you can pick something right from the tree and use it to cook. Look at this. Pepper ready. I'm gonna pick one more. Everything organic, everything fresh. Now papaya pantry. Them green. Pick around 3 off of them. 3 ripe, 1 off 5 since week. 2 of them I put in there. So I'm gonna allow this to go down just a little bit more, and then I will add the saltfish and the rest of the ingredients. So we just have a lightly season this. Now I'm Maggie, but I'm gonna put some all-purpose and mix with MSG and black pepper. You can just sprinkle a little bit on it. Not much. Let me say lightly seasoned. Okay, that should do it. Yeah, both you want for them too. We love fried food, sir. So finally, the rundown is ready. Got that.
Alright now.
Yeah.
Yes, my boss, your food there.
Lunchtime. When the caps are there, you want cow for a few at a time.
No.
You want the food? What?
Yeah,
Yes.
dumpling already.
Wait until
So now go on.
Yes, sir. What it is?
Good man. What is that?
I don't know.
What am I so somber? So you go on.
You mean, man, everything night at all time style, no? Chunk, meal, dumpling, same way.
Okay. Good man.
Now I record now bush of them food they feet, you know.
Junk food.
That
Sure,
is it,
man.
a tiny baby.
Hey man, this Where is it?
What tiny baby carry? You fish, you might cut up your dumpling now.
A tiny baby.
I cut up dumpling like my baby.
Yeah. My baby food.
Night baby food.
Yeah.
Big man food.
Yeah.
Share it already.
Yes.
So you go on. I say bad.
That's something, man, I know.
Earth non-stop. And
Eh?
then give me some food.
Want some food?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Want the dumpling?
She saltfish, yeah.
Want the dumpling?
Yes, people, so there's two type of rundown, you know, say we make it in Jamaica. I smoke with my talk, you know. Alright, so they have a saltfish rundown and a mackerel, salt mackerel rundown. But me personally, I prefer the saltfish one. Me eat some of the salt mackerel one, sorry. The other day, I went in Jamaica there at a primary school. It was excellent.
More dumpling. More
But
dumpling.
we still prefer the saltfish one. Rest me find some I've put in there that make it even have a bit more of an original taste. So people, nothing now yes, you know. I run down juice, I get drink coconut juice. That's how nice it is.
The gravy, you know.
See, boss, they are drinking this. Fully active. Yeah, man. So when I next adventure, this is gonna be in a video. So if you don't like it, give the video a like and subscribe. And if you like this type of content and you want to see me cook one next authentic Jamaican dish, just drop it in the comment section and let me know how I'm gonna cook next. Outdoor cooking, Jamaican style. Yes, right. See the mango the pantry, you know. Mango time and mangoes ripe in our country, you know.
I'm
Man, give cow some water before we leave out. I'm going to take on the road now because the rain has come down.
Yeah, I come down for children.
Yeah, man, I know I get wet up, Kyrie, so let's go.
Whee! Adventure.
Stay down, listen. No.
Banana rain I fall on my head.
That fall on your head?
Yes.
Alright, today on the journey going back home.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
My
Let's pure beautiful greenery the runway, huh?
Yes, it's almost my foot. Almost there.
Yeah. See all them bamboo over there start chop down. Where them place the farming all going.
No time to stop for the rain to come.
Yes, Kyrie, no time to stop.
Down here.
Yeah, man, I'm nice work.
Yes. And I see this here farm.
Yeah, man, that's sweet potato.
So sweet, I want to eat it.
Yeah, man. Yes, my people, so this is what we call a dry gully. Yeah, man, now they walk a spot we call bottom pass. You know? And so most of the time through here, especially if a dry time, no water is not running here. But as soon as rain start falling, all the water run from off the road, it run and lead down to here. And what is so amazing about nature is that I often pass here and see crabs in there. And please bear in mind that this place is dry for most of the year. And when the time dry and no water in the air, I don't know which part the crab them go. But as soon as water in there, crab is in there. Very strange. But that's how wonderful nature is. Yeah, man, and is the water look clean and pretty?
Yeah, clean and pretty.
Yeah, man, crystal clear. Got that. You know, the skin nothing. I don't get no ringworm now in the terms from this. Because the water even smell clean and everything. But I wouldn't advise anyone to drink it.
You want to drink the clean water?
No, we're not going to drink it.
Whatever. We're not going to drink that one.